Okay, so it is a object orientation language. As you know, Java is a object orientation language. C++ is a object orientation language. When a program is a object oriented, that means the code reusability concept is applied. Means you can develop or you can extend the functionality of the classes without rewriting a program. Like when you are develop any application, like you are using different Android app in your mobile phone, in a day by day basis you are getting lot of updation in your mobile phone, as because the new functionality is added. So Python
Yes.
is like that. It is called as a dynamic and multi-purpose language where uh, you can use the object orientation concept if you want to upgrade your existing application. So there is no need to write the program again and again. You just enhance the functionality, and which part is required you just add it. As you know that in previous class we have discussed, it is a interpreted language. Interpreted means the execution is happen in a step by step process. So in every line by line basis your program is execute, so that in which line the error is there, it stops you over there. It is dynamic and multi-purpose. Everywhere in the web application it is used, in what like data science part it is used, data analytics it is used, machine learning, internet of thing, everywhere it is used. The Python is easy to learn, yet powerful and versatile scripting language which makes it attractive for application development. So it is easy to learn, powerful, and it is a scripting language. The syntax and dynamic typing with the interpreted nature make it is ideal language for scripting and rapid application. So why it is rapid application? Uh, it's just like when you type anything, like if you want to display anything, you just type a letter or type a sentence and just put an enter, you are getting a result.
Yes.
Python support
Yes, sir.
multiple programming pattern including object-oriented programming, imperative, functional programming, or procedure style. Means by using of object orientation, imperative and functional programming, procedural style. Procedure means you divide your complex program into a smaller module. Okay, so like if you develop a application for a banking system, it is not possible for a single person. They have to develop the entire banking application, so that your banking application is divided into a smaller module. Like you have the RD account information, loan account information. So you just what divide that all the program into a smaller or smaller chunks, and every chunks is handled individually. And including object oriented programming, imperative and
Yes.
functional programming is just like that. Procedure is what happened. Now when you divide a program, you call the procedure, it is not returning you return any kind of value. Function is breaking the program into a subpart, and it gives you or it is return you some value. So that is called as the what functional programming. Doubt in this part,
Yes. Sir.
Shivani?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next we just a minute.
Hmm.
So it is not intended to work on the special area such as web programming. It is not basically it is used. Normally, what
Yes.
happened when we called about the scripting language? The basically the scripting language is used um, in the what? in the website development, but it is a scripting language. It is
Yes, sir.
not
Yes.
only used for the web programming. Everywhere you can use it. So
Yes.
we did not need to use the data type, okay, to declare the variable, because
Yes,
it
sir.
is dynamically typed, so that uh, you can pass a equals to 10. When you pass a equals to 10, that means automatic the variable is considered as it is a integer value. And
Yes.
Python make the development and debugging fast because there is no compilation step is included. Just you type the program, and when you press a enter, it gives you a result. So as you know that in the C and C++
Yes, sir.
programming, if you know it, for defining the numeric value
Yeah.
or integer value, first of all you need to define the
We have
data
to declare that.
A, character B. So here there is no requirement to give any kind of data type.
Declare a
You
integer.
have to pass any type of value without declaring any kind of data type. Directly you can store the value. So like if you pass A equals to 10, then in A your 10
Yes.
is stored.
Yes.
And it makes the development and debugging fast because there is no compilation step is included in Python development. Edit, test and debug cycle is very fast in the Python.
Yes.
July pattern.
Yes, sir.
शिवानी बुझिएला.
हाँ.
Okay. It is easy to use. Python is very easy to use, and it is high level language. Thus it is programmer friendly language. Means uh, like
Yes.
any person, like it is very easy high level language, so that when you
Direct
write a
syntax is
program,
there.
it is giving you the result very fast. Means debugging is very fast, so that it is called as the
Yes,
programming
sir.
friendly language. It is called as the expressive language. The Python language is more
Yes.
expressive. The sense of expressive is code is easily understandable. You can easily understand the code. Interpreted language. Python is interpreted. Interpreted means your program is execute in a
Executes
step by
the
step process. Means it is execute in a line by line basis, so that it is called as the interpreted language.
line by line manner. Yes, sir.
Next we call as it is a cross platform. Cross platform means you can what write the program in one operating system. Suppose I develop the program in Windows, and it can
Yes,
run
sir.
in the
Yes.
Linux, Windows, Unix, Macintosh. So
Yeah.
everywhere it can be used. It is free and open
Yes,
source.
sir.
Open source means
Yes.
which is freely available, and there is no license key is required for using the application.
Yes, sir.
So it is also called as the free and open source application. It is called as object oriented language. Python support the object
Yes.
orientation language. Concept of class and object comes into existence. Extensible. If you want to extend the feature of the Python, so you can extend it uh, by, like you can use the C++ coding here. It is embedded with other
Yes,
programming
sir.
language. Suppose if you want critical application, so you can embed it
Yes.
other programming language part here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It has a library as because we are working with the data science part, so it contains a large and huge library. Python has a large and broad
Yes, sir.
library. Graphic user interface can be developed
Yes.
using Python GUI. So you can develop the GUI application by using Python.
Yes.
It can be easily integrated with any other
Integrated.
programming language, like you can say C, C++, Java,
Yes.
but is integrated with other application.
Yes, sir.
So now, what is the? It is a history of Python.
Yes,
The
sir.
Python has come in the year 1980. The implementation of Python was started in December 1989 by Guido van Rossum at CY in Netherlands. The ABC programming uh, is the first language, or it is the predecessor of the Python language. Okay, so it is developed in the CY in Netherlands. It is not like that Python is coming in the year of the 20th century. It having the
Yes,
concept.
sir.
The concept was developed in the 1980.
From 1980s.
Guido van
Yeah.
Rossum is a mathematician. Is working at a mathematic professor. So as they face, and he wants to develop such kind of software, that software is helping the student to work with the statistics. So at that timing, they developed that language, that they give its name as ABC language, but it is not so much popular at that timing, as because it contains some kind of ambiguous feature. So he is forgetting that for developing it. But in the 1995, again, when at the time of Java has come to the market, at the same time,
Yes.
Python has launched. When it is
Yes, sir.
launched, it is now so much popular. Actually, this Python name has come from the name as Monty Python. Monty Python is a director in Netherlands. He is the director of a comedy show that is telecasted in the television. So Guido is
Yes,
very
sir.
much fan about that show. So that reason, Guido is
Yes.
giving that name as what? Giving the name
To the programming language.
belongs to this Python.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So ABC is called as the predecessor, and Python is influenced by the programming language like ABC and Modula 3. Okay, so these are the two languages. It is influenced by Python is influenced from them. Got it? This one? Bujela?
Yes, sir. Yes.
It's a different version. So actually, the 1980 the concept was developed, but actually it is coming to the market in the year, that is
94.
uh, in your 1994, and in 1995 1.5. The latest version that we are using, that is 3.8. It is comes
Yes, sir.
in the year of 2020. The latest version we are using, that is 3.8.
1920.
And the version that we are
Yes.
working, the feasible version is 2.7, but it is permissible that as the
Yes, sir.
3.8 has come to the market, so you go for the 3.8.
Yes, sir.
So Python application, one is console based application. Console based application means you can design the
Yes.
application by using of command prompt, like it is working through the command. Suppose if I want to work,
Yes, sir.
or if I want to go to the any D drive, so here I type D colon enter, so I move here to D drive. If I want to move to the E drive, so right here
Yes.
E colon enter, I move to E drive. Okay, so these are the
Mm. Yes.
commands that we are using. Normally what happen, when you
Yes,
are
sir.
going to um, open the D drive and E drive, so by opening the my computer, we open the D drive and E drive.
Yes.
But here through the
Yes, sir.
command
You have to give
were
all the
able
names.
to open the drives, so that uh,
Yes, sir.
you can design the console based application by using of your Python. It has audio
Yes.
and video based application. Python provide handy in multimedia section. Some of real application are team player, C play, etc. 3D CAD application.
Yes, sir.
Fandango is a real application which provide full picture of CAD, like 3D graphics that we're using for designing any kind of graphical information, like the graphical tools that we're using in the 3D
Yes,
CAD
sir.
application. Shivani,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
बुझिएला त यसो यति यति चाहिँ
हाँ, हाँ, sir.
web application. Python can also be used to develop a web-based application. Some important development is Python Wiki Engine, Poco, Python blog software,
Yes.
and some kind of enterprise application that we're using. Python can be used to create an application which can be used within
Yes,
the
sir.
enterprise or an organization. Some real-time application that we're using, that is OpenERP, Triton, Picalo. So these are the different enterprise
Yes, sir.
application we're using.
Yes.
Application for images, that we're using several application can be developed for images, like application developer, VPython, Goff, ImageSeek. So these are the variety of application that we're using in the Python. Then for writing a Python,
Yes, sir.
first you have to install the Python from www.python.org.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So it is the official side of Python. You can download it from here.
Yes, sir. So now we have to download 3.8 or 2.7.
Then you move to this download version. Then you choose source code. Oh, nine version has come. 3. Python 3.9.0. It is the latest version that has
1.9.
come now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or else
Yes, sir.
it just released. Okay. 5
Yes.
October, just released here.
October 5. Yes. Yes, sir.
So the support is end in the 2025. Okay. Now
Yes.
2.7 is now comes to the end of life stage.
License.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you download from here.
I think it's end already in
After
January.
downloading it,
Yes, sir.
then you just for working in command prompt. Okay, so if you want to work with a command prompt, then after installation, you got some folder. There is a way of setting path.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you got this type of Python 27 folder.
Yes.
There is a way of path setting. Okay, now you select this path,
Yes, sir.
Control C.
Which one? 27. Yes.
Selecting the path. Any doubt, then tell me at that time. So after selecting the path,
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
then
Yes.
I move to the my computer, then go to the properties. Okay, then move to the advanced system setting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then go to the environment variable.
Yes.
So in path, you just paste it Python 27. In path, just write C,
Yes, sir.
just paste it. Okay. Give a variable name
Yes.
path and just pass the URL name.
Yes, sir.
Then after that, to check whether your Python has installed properly or not, or you can able to work with command prompt or not. So open here
Command prompt.
CMD, then right here
Yes, sir.
Python. When you type Python, automatic the Python window has opened.
Yeah.
Python GUI application, this
Yes,
one.
sir.
Okay. So if it has come, then you know that your Python has installed properly.
Okay, sir.
Then another way to work with Python is what Python GUI is also there.
Yes.
So here also you can write same coding like print. So it is showing you hello. But it is advisable if you make any kind of application, uh, don't go for
Yes, sir.
this. So it is not helping you as
Not
because
paid.
it is only used for printing the single line. If you want to go
Yes,
for
sir.
the designing the application in Python, then you need to go for a proper ID. So that
Yes,
ID,
sir.
you can say it is Anaconda ID, okay,
Yes.
which is helping you to write the application. Anaconda. Open Anaconda Navigator.
Yes, sir.
It takes some time to open. Okay, so we will go for other part. So let it is open, then I will show you. It takes some time.
Okay, sir. Okay.
As you know, for storing the value, you required a variable. The
Yes.
variable is what?
Variable.
It is a memory location where you can store the value.
Yeah.
Okay, and the variable
Yes,
value
sir.
is changes throughout the program execution. Changes throughout the program
Yes, sir.
execution. Name of memory location where your data is stored. Once a variable is stored, that means the space is allocated to the memory.
Yes.
Like for assigning the value, it is just like in the other programming language, like you have to pass x equals to y equals to z equals to 50. That means
Yes,
in
sir.
all the part like x y z, we are storing the value 50. So first of
Yes.
all, I will show you the first program.
Yes.
A equals to 10. Then for printing value, print A. Okay, so just you initialize the value
Yes.
and write the print command. It is showing the result. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And if you want to assign the multiple value,
Directly it can take multiple values also.
you can pass here A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 10. You can write here print A, it is showing you 10. If you write here print B, it is also showing you
Yes,
10.
sir.
Then print C, it is printing you 10. Okay, so in every part, it is showing you the same result, that is 10. Clear?
Yes, sir. For addition also we have to give directly values, sir.
Yes, yes.
For addition also, for addition of two number, we can give directly, right?
For adding the two number.
Yes. We can give directly also, no?
You pass here like A equals to 10.
Hello?
Yes. Yes, I am audible. B equals to
Yes?
20.
Yeah.
C equals
Yes,
to,
we can give directly, right?
yes, yes. You can write here print
Yes, sir.
C. Okay, and for taking the input from a user, it is
Yes.
different. Okay, so we'll go for it.
Yes, sir.
It is asking you enter a number, but here what happens that you are directly passing the value and get the result. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Now see that here in the you can open the spider.
Sir, you are not audible.
I'm not audible.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
are just huh?
Actually, I think network problem, sir.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, I am audible. Means your voice is coming.
Sir, actually network problem also. Hello?
Your voice is just breaking. I am
Yes,
clear
sir.
or I am breaking?
Here
First,
also.
ଆସୁଛି ମାନେ କଟି କଟିକା ଯାଉଛି କି?
ହଁ ଏବେ 2 ମିନିଟ ହେଲା।
ଏଇଟା ଦେଖ।
ଏବେ ଠିକ ହେଲା sir।
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
स्पाइडर है ना?
So you can open the spider. Okay.
Yes sir।
You can open the spider or you can open the Jupyter. Jupyter is also there. Basically, Jupyter is popular for the data science part.
Yes sir।
Okay. In
Yes।
that you can work like in the Jupyter you can also run. So before you are working, the first of all you have to open it as because it will take some kind of some timing to open it as because it is loading all the modules, so that it takes the some timing. So here see that you can get a latest version. Okay, latest version of Python you can get for the scientific tool.
Yes।
Okay.
Yes sir। Yes।
Okay, so I have shown you how to add the numbers.
Yes, sir.
Then assign the multiple value. If you assign the multiple value, so it is showing
Yes.
you A, B, C, 5, 10, and
Yeah, we will
15.
assign. Yes.
It means what? In A we have stored 5, in B we have stored 10,
Yes, sir.
in C we have stored 15.
Yes.
So here,
Yes, sir.
if you pass A 5, B 10, and C 15, so it is printing you A, B, and C. So it is
Yes.
printing you 5,
Yes.
10, and 15. So these are the three
Yes.
value it has stored. And now suppose if I pass A comma B comma C equals to 10
Yeah,
comma 20
multiple assignment of numbers.
comma 30, ମୁଁ ଏ ତିନିଟା ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ପାସ୍ କଲି A comma
हाँ.
B comma C,
हाँ.
ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଲେଖିବି
Print A, print B, print C.
print A, it is printing you 10, means this value is printing in sequence
Yes, sir.
wise. If you write here
If you take print A, B, C at a time, what happens, sir?
print A लिखिले
In
हमको
a
10
line.
प्रिंट करिवो एटा फास्ट रहबो 10
हाँ. मैंने डायरेक्ट शो होगा ना तीन जाको.
हां
हाँ.
print C, okay 30 बुझिला.
Yes, sir. हाँ.
ओके सो काली नेक्स्ट क्लास हबो तमरो मॉर्निंग रे हबो 8 टा बेले हबो तो
हाँ हाँ ठीक अच्छे सर.
काली मो 8 रे कनेक्ट करिवि. ओके
हाँ हाँ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଇନଷ୍ଟଲ୍ କରିଦେବି ପାଇଥନ୍ର ଇଏ
हाँ
ଏନା କୋନେ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲ୍ କରିନି ଆହୁରି ଆଜି କରିଦେବି.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है मु दे दी अकाउंट्स इनफॉरमेशन पास कर दीजिए कर दबो हैला.
हाँ सर. सर आजिर क्लास रो टिके पठेदेबे मते मो इंस्टॉलेशन रे दरकार हे पारे.
हाँ हाँ मु डेली बेसिस रे पठेबी, कम कहया पड़ियो मु
हाँ
डेली बेसिस रे पठेबी हैला.
हाँ सर. हाँ सर.